In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design in Canva legally for Etsy print on demand. If you are creating products for Etsy with Canva, the key is to make designs that are truly your own and compliant. With commercial use rules, think of Canva as a toolbox. You'll combine, arrange, and edit multiple elements to build a composition that doesn't exist anywhere as a single asset. The biggest mistake to avoid is using any single graphic, image, or font from Canva as is on a product. Dropping one sticker-style icon on a mug and calling it done isn't allowed for commercial sales. Mix elements thoughtfully, pair illustrations with text, add shapes or textures, adjust layouts, and build hierarchy. Change colors to suit a palette. Resize components so they relate well to each other, and use simple edits like crop or flip to transform the look. Aim for a cohesive, custom design, not a light tweak of someone else's work. Typography deserves the same treatment. Don't drop plain text in a single font and sell it. Create typographic art by combining complementary fonts, applying subtle effects, adding ornaments or frames, and integrating icons in a way that feels original. If an element could stand alone without your input, keep refining until your contribution is unmistakable. Steer clear of trademarks. Avoid brand names, logos, sports leagues, and famous characters, including Disney or NFL references. Even phrases closely tied to licensed properties can be risky. Stick to generic sayings, seasonal themes, and original wording, so your listings don't get flagged or removed. Licensing matters. Canva Pro is recommended because it offers a wider selection of elements for commercial use. But always double-check license terms for each element. Avoid assets marked editorial use only, and keep a record of what you use in case you need proofs. For added uniqueness, source externally. Platforms like Creative Fabrica provide fonts and graphics with their own commercial licenses. Download them, import into Canva, keep your license documents, and still customize to make the final design distinct. Finally, optimize your Etsy listings. Use high-quality mockups that fit your product, write clear titles and descriptions from keyword research, and add relevant tags so shoppers can find you. Show a couple of angles so buyers can visualize the item in real life. Follow these guidelines and you'll design confidently, creatively, and within the rules. Thanks for watching.